inputs for that will be x0 to x3. X3 he has told to give the highest priority. It's okay. Then outputs will be y1 and y2. You take one example. This is 4 to 2 encoder. 4 are the inputs, 2 are the outputs. What is the general concept for encoder? 2 to the power of n are the inputs and n are the outputs. It is as good as 2 to the power of 2 will be inputs and n will be the output, means 2 is the output. It's okay. Similarly, 8 to 3, 16 to 4, 32 to 5, like that you have a encoder is there. Encoder given will be x0, x3, x0, x1, x2, x3 are the inputs, which is highest priority, x3. y1, y2 are the outputs and valid bit. Valid bit is the control bit. Valid bit is the control bit. Either you can design the valid bit based on 0 or you can design the valid bit based on 1. That is the output either logic 0 enable, logic 1 means active low enable, active high enable. If it is an active high enable, the output should be valid should be 1. If valid is 0, you cannot expect any relation between output and input. Even though input has to be given, the output you cannot expect. Even processing that you can't read. As you had an idea for decoder, you have a control signals input side as well as the output side. When it is an input side, the device won't take the input to process. If it is an output side, device takes the input, process it, but you cannot read that because output will not allow to read. In this case, if you took a valid bit for the output, output is active high, should be 1. If it is 0, what you can write? Valid output 0. Whatever you have an input, which it will not allow to do any operations. Whatever you can write for the input. Cell number 0 I can write. Has to be given cell number 0. Then you have a condition will be x0 0, x1 0, x2 0, x3 0. Then what should be the control output you can expect with the valid 0? 0 0. The meaning is not a single input line is active and you cannot expect that to as the output in the condition of valid 0. Why I have to say output won't accept the correct input in the input side. Then if I am writing the valid 1, then if he has given the cell number 8, when he has given the cell number 8, which is the highest priority? Which is the highest priority in the input? Are you audible? X3 is the highest priority. I am writing here, see H. H meaning is highest priority, L meaning is the lowest priority. When H is the highest priority X3, then cell number 8 is visible. Means I told now an example. If X0 is visible, what about X1, X2, X3? Highest priority, lowest priority you are seeing. See, one thing you must know, highest priority to lowest priority side you are seeing. Then when you are seeing from this side, the direction I have shown, this side, it's okay. X0 you are visible. Then what about X1, X2, X3?
Don't care, sir.
Don't care. You are seeing in this direction. See, I have shown the direction. You are seeing in this direction. You are visible for X0 direction. You are visible for X0.
1, sir. Remaining all are 1.
What about X1, X2, X3?
1, sir. They are sitting.
Don't know.
Yeah, but it is possible. See, I can show the line here. This is 5 feet. It's okay. This is 5 feet. Then what about X1? If it is visible means 5 feet or less than 5 feet?
Less than.
Less than 5 feet.
Less than.
Then 5
Then it will be in 0 only. It is 0 only. It is 0 only. See, when you are seeing X1, which is the highest priority here?
X3.
X3. When highest priority is 1, what about X2, X1, X0? Can you
Don't
seeing
care,
that? Can you seeing that?
No, sir.
No,
No
sir.
means
No, sir.
zero or don't care.
Don't
Zero
care.
or don't care.
Don't care, sir.
Don't care.
Now the case is totally opposite. X3 is the highest priority, but I am saying cell number 8 is active. Means X1, X0 is 1. And X0 is 1. What about X1?
0.
Should be 0. What about X2? Should be 0. What about X3? Should be 0. Which condition it is? 0, 0 condition. Because you have 4 condition. One you can take the 0, 0 condition. X0 will be 1. Now I am saying X1 is 1. X1 if I am writing 1. Can you seeing X2, X3?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
0.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
See the direction I can show you here. In this direction you are seeing. When you saw in this direction, X1 will be 1. What about X2 and X3? 1 or 0?
0. 0.
Should be 0. What about X0?
Don't care.
Don't care.
Don't care. Why it is don't care? See why it is don't care? When you see X1, 1, then X0 should be can't recognize either 0 or a 1. Recognize. Therefore, you can write it as don't care. It's okay. Then now you check the value. See what is the value for this? Valid 0 case 0, 0, 0, 0. What is the 40 indication of decimal equivalent? 40 decimal equivalent 0. That is cell number 0. Now you see 1 triple 0. Second case is 1 triple 0. What is the equivalent value for decimal?
8.
8. 8 is already written. Then you see the third row. Don't care 1, 0, 0. Don't care may treat it as two conditions. One is 0, another one is 1. If I treat this to 0, what is the value equivalent?
4.
0, 4. I can write here 4. If I treat that to 1,
12.
12. See here. X means don't care. Don't care, you can treat it either 0 or a 1. If I treat it to 0, 4. If I treat it to 1, 12. It's okay. Then condition will be 0, 1. But in this case, valid should be 1. Valid, never you write it to 0. Valid 0, your output can't take, output you cannot read. It's okay. Now, X2 you have to write it 1. If X2 is 1, what should be X3? 0.
0.
Because in this direction only you can concentrate for all the time. My highest priority is X3. Lowest priority is X0. Then if I am seeing in this direction, if X2 is visible, X3 should be 0. Then what about X1 and X0?
Don't care.
Don't care. These two are the don't care. Now you tell me the cell. Now you tell me the cell. You take in this way. These two XX you can write it as 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. How many don't cares are there in fourth row? 2 are there. These two don't cares you can represent in the fashion of 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Now I can take first this one. 0, 0, 1, 0. What is the value? Cell number 2. 0, 1, 1, 0.
6.
This is 6. I can write. Next 1, 0, 1, 0.
10. 10.
10. Next 1, 1, 1, 0.
14. 14.
Cell number 14. Just this XX is there, no? That is the don't care. I add the value for 0, 0 one time, 0, 1 one time, 1, 0 one time. The last 1, 1 will be the last time. When you are gone adding these 4 combinations, you got the cell numbers will be 2, 6, 10, 14. It's okay. Next, in this case, what is the Y1? Y1 will be 1, 0. And value should be 1. And now we can check it for the last case. When you are seeing the highest priority, what should be the lowest priority for 3 bits? X2, X1, X0.
Don't care.
All are don't care. So priority encoder design is there. When you are seeing the highest priority, then all the lowest priorities are treated or considered as the don't cares. Now you see how many bits you have don't cares?
3 bits.
3 bits. 3 bit when it comes, no, the representation you can take it as 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. I can write here 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. All 3 bit combinations you have to write 0, 0 to 1, 1. Then you go and add these 3 bits along with the x3 bit. What is your x3 bit for last row? 1 is there. Then you add 0001. What is the cell number?
1.
You add this one. 1. 0001 is 1. 0011.
3.
3.
0101.
5.
5.
5. Right. 0111.
7.
Here double 1 is there. Here 1. 7. Good. 1001.
9.
9. Very good. 1010.
11.
1010.
1011, sir.
Okay. 1011. 11. Next. 1101.
13.
13.
13. The last one is 41 because 111 is here. One more 1 is here. All ones. 4 ones.
15.
15.
15. I can write here 15. See the cell numbers for first row is 0, second row is 8, third row is 4 and 12, fourth row is 2, 6, 10, 14, and the last row is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. Is it? This is for the truth table of the problem statement. What he has given to assume x3 is the highest priority, x0 is the lowest priority. When you are considering the valid 0, on that case all are 0, treat the cell number is 0. When x1 is 1, lowest priority, then its highest priority bits are 0, 0, 0. When x1 is highest priority, its highest priority x2, x3 are 0, but x0 lowest priority will be don't care. Similarly, you can write with 4 rows. Then its cell number 1 you have to write based on the value of the don't care, either 0 or a 1. When you are entering this one, what you supposed to do? Take the cell numbers and you have to enter into the K-map and bring this into the Boolean functions. Later you have to implement this one. It's okay. Now what do you do? Minimize. It's okay. Just what you have to do, you have to minimize this one. Have you copied this one? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Because I want to change this one. Valid bit, okay, keep it. Valid bit, you can keep it because you have to design for that valid bit also. What about this portion is visible? I can write here. Is it visible? Some part is visible. Okay. Some part is visible. 1 second. I can take this. Valid bit. Is it visible? Just that
Yes,
box
sir.
is visible, no? Okay. Now you see, how many inputs you have? Inputs are written in the truth table. How many inputs you have?
4.
4.
4 inputs, x0 to x3. Then cells are 16. What you can do? Cells are 16. I can write here x0, x1, x2, x3. This is K-map I am writing. x0 I can change, otherwise valid bit I am eliminating. Valid bit I am expecting from your side. It's okay. Just you can take this one. This is x1, x0, x1, x2, x3. Then 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Which is the conditions when you are writing? Y1 I am writing first. See, Y1 I am writing. Y1 equal to. Y1 in which condition it will be 1 and which condition it will be 0? Y1 is 0 for cell number 0. Y1 is 0 for cell number 8. Y1 is 0 for cell number 4 and 12. Concentrate the truth table. what we got from an idea, it's okay. Y1 0, cell number 0, 8, 4, 12. I can write this 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I can write here. Cell number 0, 0. Cell number 8, 0. Cell number 4, 0. Cell number 12, 0. Then which cells are 1? See here. In the truth table, the third row of Y1 column is 1. Then which cells belongs to? 2, 6, 10, 14. All are 1, 1. Then the last row also 1 for the Y1 column. Then the cell numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. All are 1, 1. How to write the K-map entry for Y1? Do you have any doubt? To build the output hardware Y1, how many ones are there in that column? Corresponding cell number, you have to write it 1. Where it is 0, the corresponding cells you have to write it to 0. Do you have any doubt for entry of the K-map?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No. Now what you have to do? You have to minimize this one. When you want to minimize, the first and the foremost is all the cells are 1. No. If all the cells are 1, then function you have to write it directly 1. It is not necessary to bring any variable. But in this case, it is not possible. Then what I should do? I can go for half of that. Total cells are 16. 16 I cannot do for grouping. I can go for half. 8. 8 grouping you can see here. 1, 3, 5, 7, 13, 15, 9, 11. I can group this. Second column and third column directly I can group. Then what is the variable for this?
X3.
See, in this row 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, you cannot take any one. In all the row, common is not possible. Then column you can check it. The second column address is 0, 1, third column address is 1, 1, which is common bit 1. 1 belongs to X3. Then directly out write X3. Then next grouping you have to go for 8 only, which is possible for 3, 2, 7, 6, 15, 14, then 11, 10. I can group like this. And one more request, if you group for 8 cells, then remaining 4 cells left, don't make it to a group of 4. If it is possible for another 4, along with that, you can do. What will happen? Variables will reduce. Means the hardware will reduce. It's okay. Then on that case, even second grouping also I took for 8 in the cell name of 3, 2, 7, 6, 15, 14, 11, 10. Then what is the address for this? Variable address for this?
X2.
Variable
X2.
X2. Because address is 1, 1 and 1, 0. Common is 1. Belongs to X2. I can write X2. Then how you have to write Y1? X3 plus X2. X3 plus X2. It's okay. One is X3, another one is X2. Then similarly, you have to practice it out and tell me the Y2. Do work and give me Y2. Y2 where it is 1, 4 and 12, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15 is 1 and rest all are 0. Rest all are 0. Can I write here? I can write Y1. No? What is Y1? X3 plus X2. You can change this. Then I have to have one more. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I can write this X0, X1, x2, x3, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Cell numbers I can write here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now entry you can take here. What about cell number 0? 0. What is cell number 8? Cell number 8?
0.
0. What about cell number 4 and 12? Can I underline?
0.
Hey, check here. Y2 I am doing. This is Y2.
1, sir.
1.
1.
Just I have underline, you can check it here. Y2 I am doing. Y2 is 1. In which cell?
12.
4 and
12.
12. 4 is 1. 12 is 1. Then see here. Once again the third row. 0. 2, 6, 10, 14. 2, 0, 6, 0. Next 10 is 0. 14 is 0. The last row you can check it here. What is Y2? Last row?
1.
1.
1.
What is the value of, what is the cell number?
1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15.
1, 3, 5, 7, 11, 9, 11, 13, 15. It's okay. Now I am asking you for an entry in Y2. Is it possible to group of 16? Of 16?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No.
No,
Then
sir.
next you can go for half. Then next is it possible? Go for half. Is it possible?
8.
8.
8.
Yes, sir.
8.
Tell me the cell number. Tell me the cell number.
1, 2, 5,
1,
7.
3, 7,
1, 2, 5, 7.
10, 9, 11.
Okay, you have to group this one. Okay, you have to group this one, which is common bit. Which is common bit.
X3, sir.
X3. X3. Why this echo signal? Why this echo signal? Hello? Okay. Are you audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
After this 8, is it possible another 8 grouping?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Then you can come down to 4. It's okay. When you group to 4, which grouping of chord is possible? Chord is 4. Chord is 4.
4, 5, 12, 13, sir.
Okay. 4, 5, 12, 13. Just I can circle here. Which is common bit in X0, X1?
1.
X1, sir.
1. That is belongs to
X1.
X1. I can write X1. Then what about the column? Column under 0, 0, 0, 1. Which is common bit? 0, 1. Which is common bit?
0, sir.
0.
Belongs to
X2. X2.
X2 bar.
Bar.
X2 bar. Then I can write my Y2 will be Y2 equal to X3 plus X1 X2 bar. What is your Y2? X3 plus X1 X2 bar. I can write directly here. Can change this. X1 X2 bar. I can write Y2 equal to X3 plus X1 X2 bar. It's okay. Now I have to enter the valid. Valid control also you have to write, because control signal you must have to generate the hardware. Without hardware you cannot control the output. Then I can write the valid. It's okay. Valid, before to write, you must have to write the cell numbers for the valid. This is your X0, X1, X2, X3. Address is 00011011, 00011110. Now you tell me the valid bit in which control signals it will be 1 and which it will be 0. This is for valid. I can write this is for valid bit. Check the column valid bit in which cell it is 0 and in which cell it is 1. The addresses can I write here? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Cell number 0, what is the valid condition?
0.
0.
0, 0. You can write 0. Then what about other cell? Other.
All are 1, sir.
All are 1. All are 1. Because in all the row, it's okay. Cell number 8, 4, 12, 2, 6, 10, 14, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, all are 1. Last, the valid column, you can check it. Now, you tell me the grouping of this.
Grouping of 8 is possible.
8 is possible. 16 is not possible because cell number 0 is supposed to be 1. Then immediately you can come down for 8. Then I can see 2, 6, 14, 10, 3, 7, 15, 11. I can group this one. What is this? X0, X1 can't write because 4 row covered. Only column are 2.
X2, sir.
X2.
X2. Then you can go for this. Cell number 1, 3, 5, 7, 13, 15, 9, 8.
X3, sir.
Good. X3 is right. Then how you are doing this one? Next 8 is possible or you can go for 4?
4, sir.
8 is possible.
8 is possible.
8 is possible. See here, I can do like this. Cell number 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All the columns are covered. X3, X2, X3 can't come. Then what about
X0, sir.
X0, sir. X0, sir.
X0? X0 is right. Because see here, 1, 1 and 1, 0 are the row addresses. 1 is common bit, belongs to X0. I have written it as X0. Then what about next? One more cell is left, which is 4. Cell number 4 is still 1. Consider 4 or go to 8.
8, sir.
8, sir.
8, sir.
8. Then row 2, row 3 you can cover. Row 2 and row 3. Row 3. You have to cover. Okay. What is row 2, row 3? Row 2, row 3.
X1.
X1. Now I can write my valid is X0 X1 plus X2 plus X3. It's okay. The valid will be X0 plus X1 plus X2 plus X3. Y2 will be X3 plus X1 X2 bar. Y1 will be X3 plus X2 or X2 plus X3 you can write. X2 plus X3. Higher you can write. Now what should you have to do? You take this Boolean, it's okay, functions, and you have to build. When you build this one, for the conventional gate, what you have to? This is your Y1, and you can write this is X2, X3. And similarly, you can go for this is your Y2. This is your X3. What about this one? X1, X2 bar. or you need you write one more NOT gate. This is AND gate. And finally you have a valid bit. I can write here this is X0, X1, X2, X3. This is implementation of using conventional gates. If you want to convert this into NAND, then equivalent NAND you have to convert. It's okay, equivalent NAND you have to convert if it is asked. Otherwise, the conventional basic gates only you have to use. It's okay. This is the hardware for the condition of the output. Either it is Y1, Y2 or a valid bit. Next, one more readily available hardware which it is given in the notes 147, 74147, decimal to BCD encoder. Okay, before that, do you have any doubt in encoder circuit construction? It's okay, because idea one you can bring the hardware using the encoder concept. Can I continue?
Yes, sir.
Are you audible?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So what is this problem, echo problem today? You can write here decimal to BCD encoder. Decimal to BCD encoder, that is IC 74LS147. 74LS147. I can write in active low input and output. Its inputs are decimal, and outputs are BCD. It's okay. Active low input as well as the output. Then you can take one example.
Sir, ಕಾಣಿಸ್ಲಾಗೈತ್ರಿ ಮ್ಯಾಗ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದೆ.
Okay. I can change it. Is it okay? You can see here.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Little bit down is needed. Decimal to BCD encoder, can write 74LS147. I can write one more brace. Active low input and output. Active low input and output. Can show here. This you can write 74147. See, decimal inputs are how many? 0 to 9. Decimal inputs are 0 to 9. How many?
3.
0 to 9 is 3, eh?
9, sir.
9, 10, eh? 10.
10.
0 to 9 is 10 numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's okay. How many? 10 numbers. All are active low. Inputs are active low. I can write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I can write here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I can write here inputs visible. No, okay. These all are the inputs. Then outputs are BCD. How BCD representation is there? I am writing here. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How you are representing this one? Representation will be binary coded decimal. If suppose you have a 1 bit, only bit is sufficient, single decimal number. If you have a 2, 1 bit is sufficient. I think I have given one example, no? 2 students are there in my class. How many bit needed to address them in binary fashion? How many bit is needed? Only 2 students are there in my class. 1 bit is sufficient. First number I can give 0, second number I can give 1. Only 2 students are there. It's okay. But here, how many are there? 10 are there. 0 to 9 is 10. 10 are there. How many bits should be needed? If I went 1 bit, 2. 2 bit 4. 3 bit 8. 4 bit 16. Can 10 fit it on 16?
Yes, sir.
Then how many bit?
4, sir.
This is decimal. I can write this is BCD. BCD is representation, radix is 2 only. Because even though BCD you can write, that is a packed number you are writing. It's okay. Packed number when you are representing, the bit representation will be only 0 and 1. But its equivalent value will be decimal, which one it will be writing. See here 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 2, 0, 0, 1, 0. Then 3, 0, 0, 1, 1, 4, 0, 1, 0, 0, 5, 0, 1, 0, 1, 6, 0, 1, 1, 0, 7,
1
0, 1, 1, 8,
1,000, 1,000,
9,
1,000, 1,000.
Now I can ask you one question here. If my decimal number is 10, what is its BCD? See, decimal number 0 to 9 I have shown here. If my decimal number is 10, is it possible or not? Decimal number 10?
No, sir.
No. What is your class strength? 56. 56 is decimal or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Yes. Even you can write 56. 56 is your class strength. Both 10 as well as 56, both are decimal only. Even you can write 99, 1000, 10,000, million, billion, whatever it is. These all are you can represent in decimal. But it's equivalent to BCD, how you are writing. That is the only you must know. Here you have a 2 digits. You check 10. 10 is 2 digits. 1 is 0, 1 is 1. 56, we have a 2 digits. 1 is 6, another one is 5. Are you agreeing? Hello?
Yes.
Yes,
sir.
Then how 1 is representing? Table is already in left hand side. How 1 is representing?
001 0
Yes. 00001. Then how 0 is representing?
4 0
4 zeros. 10 is representing in BCD is 000140. Similarly, 56 how you are representing? 5 0101 6 0110. This is 56. This is 10. This is 56. Like 99. How you are representing 99? 1001 1001. Each digit of decimal will be representing in its BCD coded fashion. What the code strength you will be using? 4 bit. Why are you using code strength will be 4 bit? Because the maximum bit will be 9. 9 you cannot representing in 3 bit. You need 4 bit. Therefore, all bits are representing in same width. Is it? Therefore, whatever the decimal number is there, if it is in a single digit or in a multi-digit, then representing in a BCD will be each digit 4 bit equivalent. Each digit 4 bit equivalent. Take one example. 126 if it is. 1 representing will be 0001, 2 representing will be 001, 5 representation will be 101. 125 equivalent value is this one in representation of BCD. Got the idea?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'll move for taking with this idea. for decimal to BCD encoder, the outputs are 4. Outputs also active low. I can write here A, B, C, D. I can write here, this will be the output. A, B, C, D are the outputs. It's okay. Then you have to write name X0 to, I can write here X0, X1, X2, I can write here X9 are the inputs. Then you have to write the truth table because 74147 is decimal to BCD priority encoder. I suppose to write here priority encoder. In this priority encoder, the highest priority you supposed to take it as, which one? X9. X9 is the highest priority. I can write here H. And what about my X0? L. I can show here. Then you have to prepare the truth table. When you are preparing the truth table, you should have a valid condition based on the output you want to write it or not. It's okay. Now what I am doing here, I can prepare a truth table for this. When you had an idea for truth table, easily you are implementing an idea based on the hardware usage, which it is 74LS147. It's okay. I can repeat once again. Decimal to BCD encoder 74LS147. It is an active low input and active low output. 0 to 9, 10 are the inputs active low, 4 are the outputs active low. Highest priority is X9, lowest priority is X0. Now we should have the input output relation. I can write the input conditions, decimal numbers. And this is input I can show. Inputs X0, X1, X2, X3, X4, X5, X6, X7, X8, X9. Then we have outputs. It's okay. Outputs written as A, B, C, D. Or you can take better Y. Y based you have taken already. Okay, it's not compulsion. Anyone you can take. I can take this is Y0, Y1, Y2, Y3. I can take this is Y0, Y1, Y2, Y3. It's okay. All are active low. I can write here. What is my X9? H I can write highest priority. What is X0 I am writing? Lowest priority. Then decimal numbers I am gone writing here. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then you have to write. Decimal number 0. Decimal number 0. When you can write the condition. Are you seeing this one? Are you audible? Hello?
Yes, sir.
See here, decimal number 0, which one it will be in active low? Which one it will got select?
X0.
X0 will select. What is the X0 value?
0.
Should be 0. Should be 0 because it is opposite. If input is active high, output is active high, not in use 0, when it will be in use active high, that is 1, but it is opposite active low. When decimal number 0, X0 will be low, then what about X1 to X9?
1.
1. In this case, 1 is active low because it is complemented 1. It's okay. You write the output. You write the output afterwards for the condition. It's okay. If it is decimal number 1, x1 will be 1.
0.
Then what about x2? Sorry, x1 is 0. Not x1 is 1. x1 is 0. Then what about x2?
1.
x2 is 1. Then what about x9?
1.
1. All are 1, 1. Because the priority you can check it from highest to lowest. X9 to x0 you are seeing. I can show here the direction. My question is, what is x0? When x1 is 1.
Don't get.
When x1 is active low, x1 is active low, what should be x0?
Don't care.
Don't care.
Don't care.
I can show here. My x2 is active low. What should be x3 to x9? Active high. Then what should be x1 and x0?
Don't
Don't
care.
care. It's okay. You have to write this. Now, you have to have a value. When x1, you should have to treat with the lowest value for the last 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Sorry. 1, 1, 1, 0. 1, 1, 0, 1. Next 3. 3 means x3 will be active low, x0 don't care, x1 don't care, x2 don't care. Then what about x4 onwards? Active high. Then what is the selection for this one? For this one?
1100.
1100. Now x4 is active low, 4 is active low. That is x4 is active low. Means from seeing in this direction from x9 side, x5, x6, x7, x8, x9 is 1. Then you cannot see all active low. Because decimal to BCD priority encoder is there. This one 74LS147. I can name it 74LS147 is decimal to BCD. It's okay. Decimal to BCD priority encoder. Inputs active low, outputs also active low. What is the condition for this one? 1, 0, 1, 1. Then 5, x5 should be active low. When x5 is active low, x6 is 1, x7, x8, x9 is 1. Then what about the previous? All are the don't cares. What will be the output representation?
1010.
1, 0, 1, 0. It is in decrementing order. I can show you. It is in decrementing order. X6 representation will be x6 is 0 and these all are don't cares. And last 3 x7, x8, x9, 9 are 1. What is the equivalent output?
1001.
This is 10, 9, 1001, 9. One decrement is there always. 7 representation. X7 should be 0 and rest all are 1. 8. Its representation will be 1000. Then decimal 9. Sorry, decimal 8. 7 is over. Decimal 8. 8 is 0 and rest all are don't care. Which is 1? X9 is the only one. In this case, its value will be
0111.
1 less. 8, 1 less is 7. 7 representation will be 0111. And last is 9. X9 is low. Then what about the previous? All or don't cares. Highest priority itself will be active low. Highest priority is X9. Itself will be active low. Then You have to write its representation will be
0 1 1 0.
0 1 1 0. This is the priority encoder, which it is decimal to BCD conversion 74LS147. Now what should you do for this? You have Y0, Y1, Y2, Y3. Why not Y1, Y2, Y3 you have to build. How to build one, at least I can tell you here. Why not I can explain. I can change this. How to build. Why not? Why not representation? It's okay. Anybody is able to do this? Only why not? I can do it only why not? Even you can go for a switch based design, or you can go for the hardware. It's okay. That is left to you. Because whenever you are assigning the conditions, the output has to be match. That is very much important. It's okay. For consideration, 74LS147, the decimal representation is there. Then on that case, which one you are connecting to 0, that is the only 0, and rest all are don't know cases, you have to move it. Then on that case, he designed will be this is your, can I show here, 74LS147. This is active low input and active low output BCD decimal to BCD encoder. It's okay. Then its outputs you can show here is 1, 2, 3, 4. You can write BCD outputs. It's okay. Then what do? You have to have a switches. The switch connections you can take here. This is 1. This is, I can start here. 1 active low is there. Even you can show the active low. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10. Then you have to take here one switch you have to make. First you have to prepare the switch. Just one hardware you have to made arrangement. You can have a switch. Switches you can show. And this you connect to ground. And made all should be initially high. Can I make it dot dot? Try to understand the left hand side of 74LS147. This is your X0, X1. Similarly, I can write X9. All inputs are connected with one switch. I can write this is my S0, S1. I can write last switch will be S9. It's okay. Initially, all the inputs are tied to VCC. Initially means first case. It's okay. All X0 to X9 all are tied to 1. That time Y0, Y1, Y2, Y3 you treat it as 1, 1, 1, 1 only. But decimal representation on that case you cannot assume it 0 is selected. Now if any switch is pressed, the corresponding bit will be 0. Any switch is pressed, the corresponding bit will be 0. Then about the highest priority, all are 1, 1, 1. And before that means the lowest priority side, what you can say, don't care. Take one example, If my x0 is the lowest priority, when you press the switch, x1 to x9 will be 1. It's okay, already connected to VCC, and rest all will be, it's okay, don't care. But x0 itself you have considered, less than lowest priority is not there, no one is, don't care. Only x1 to x9 will be active high. Take the first row. What I assumed, x0 I took, pressed the switch, means x0 is no doubt 0. Above highest priority, x1 to x9, all are 1, 1, because initially tied values. It's okay. Next, is there any less than x0? Lowest priority bit is available? No. Then you can treat x0 is 0, x1 to x9 will be 1. It's okay. Now I will tell you the second case, at least you will be understanding. If x1 is pressed, x1 onwards, the highest priority side, all are 1, 1, 1, initially tied. It's okay. But I haven't saw x0 because my highest priority is x9. I can cross check from x9 to x2. All are not pressed, but x1 is pressed. Therefore, it is 0. I haven't saw x0. Therefore, I am writing it to don't care. It's okay. What I can tell you in this case, x1 switch is pressed from checking with x9 to x2 are not pressed 1. x1 is pressed 0. Then I haven't saw x0. What you can say? Don't care. The circuit which it will give you the output. The representation will be 1, 1, 1, 0. Any doubt in this? Are you audible? Are you audible?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any doubt in switch connections for 74LS147? You can treat the switch in such a way that initially all the switches are tied to 1. Initially all the switches are tied to 1. What is x0? 1. What is x2? 1. What is x9? 1. Then see, one more row you have to take above the shown truth table. All are 1. What should be your output? Hey, what is your output for all are 1?
One, sir.
All are 1 only, because there is no selection took place for that. Sometimes what happens, if enabling conditions from output will be based on the control signal, at least that control signal will give you not to take any output, then you can write or treat don't care. But in this case, you don't have any control signal at the output. Based on whatever the inputs, it's okay. Then output representation will be for all one case, 1, 1, 1, 1 only. It's okay. Then you might have a confusion, sir. Why not Y3 will be 1, 1, 1, 1 for X0 selection? Then what should be? X0 is also 1. That is not in use. Not in use, all the outputs are initially tied to 1. Sometimes you will be saying no. If suppose the outputs are active high, what should be the value? 0. If you have one module, inputs are not given. Device is biased. What is the output? 0. How you say it is 0? Because inputs are not given. Is it? Then on that case, it is an active low output. The output without giving any inputs, just to write it to 1. Based on that concept only, what we say, this is an active low output. Output directly write 1, 1, 1 without giving any input. X1 to X9 is 1, 1, 1. Have you given input? Have you pressed any switch? X0 to X9 is all 1. Have you pressed any switch?
No, sir. No, sir.
No.
sir.
Then you are not given any input. Then what should be the output?
0.
0, sir.
That is active high. That is this is active low is there. What is the output?
1.
See, very simple. This is one module. I can write M. M is the module, will give you an output of X. Sorry, you can write here Y. Y is the output. M is the module, Y is the output. X is the input. X is not given. X is not given. What is Y?
0.
0. No doubt it is 0. Because input is active high, output is active high. Now you see, I am changing output to active low. Input is active high, I kept maintained. But output I treated or managed for the design will be active low. Input is not given for the module. What is the output?
1.
It is 1. Try to understand. If this bubble is not there, the output is active high, that time I got 0. If I change the design, made an output to active low, without giving any input, I am expecting 1. Try to understand first this. When you had an idea, then you will be applying that to 74LS147. Do you have any doubt here? This is your circuit, this is your module. Input is not given. Output active high, 0 I supposed to expect. Output active low, 1 I supposed to expect. But all these things are after a long period of time. Immediate you will be learning in till 7th semester. Whatever I talked is not true. So how I can say, I did something, then I expect. I think I have given one example. I can put in your pocket 100 rupees. It's okay. After 1 week, I can ask, is that 100 rupees is there in your pocket? Then you will be saying, no, sir. Why? Sir, that 100 rupees chala gaya. You have enjoyed that 100 rupees because sir has asked after 1 week. Have I put it or not? Yes. Is it there? No. Then I will take one more case. I can put at the T1 time. Immediately after 10 seconds, I can ask, what is your answer? Is it there or not? Yes, it is there. Why? You have put that one immediately before to enjoy, you have asked that. Means it is there. Even the output is always like that only because output will be managed through capacitor. When you put something for the capacitor, capacitor needs time to discharge. Before the discharge, if you are expecting, data is there, information is there. But you have given a sufficient time for the capacitor to discharge, then you cannot expect what you have stored, which it is lost, even though you don't have a path. Discharging path is not provided, but even output is not. How you say? Leakage. That is leakage. Particularly in the electronics, you can call it as a leakage. It's okay. Do you have any doubt for the output for active high and active low? Right?
No, sir.
See, I can repeat once again. This is the module. Module input X, module output Y, active high. Input is not given, output supposed to be 0 because active high is there. Input is not at all given, output what you can expect? 0 only. But if this output is active low, then that time you can write this is 1. When you return a 0, it is enabled. When this has to enable, input supposed to give. Input is not given, then output supposed to write it as the 1 only. Is it? Like that, 74LS147, active low input, active low output. When all the inputs are not used, means not connected, not given any input, then on that case, the outputs are 1, 1, 1 only. 1, 1, 1 only. Even I can tell you, first row, decimal number not at all considered for X1 to X9, all are 1. Then output is once again Y0, Y1, Y2, Y3 will be 1, 1, 1, 1 only. Because that case we won't consider, not in use. Therefore, we left that. The case we started for decimal 0 to 9 only, because we need that. The input is supposed to give and to expect the output. Any doubt for this? Are you audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You have any doubt, you can ask for the condition. Any doubt? It is 3:40. Or I think at 1 hour it's over. You have any doubt, you can ask. It's okay. We conclude the